Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to share a home remedy which will help you reduce eye puffiness and your dark circles. It's a very easy home remedy. I'll be sharing two remedies, one for reducing puffiness and other for your dark circles. First we'll see how to reduce puffiness around our eyes. For this we need green tea powder. I've used matcha, you can use any green tea powder. I'll suggest you to use powder only, but if you don't get it then you can use sachet. Just boil 1 cup of water and put 1 spoon or 1 sachet, whatever you have of green tea powder, and then boil it for 2 minutes. Once it's done, let it cool down completely and then put 1 small spoon of lemon juice in it. If your skin is allergic to lemon juice, then skip it. And then pour it in ice tray and let it go in the freezer to set. Once made, you can use this for 7 days. So this is my green tea ice cube. Wrap it up with any cotton cloth or thin cloth and then apply it on your under eyes area. Please don't rub your under eye area. Just apply it very gently. As green tea ice cubes boost the blood circulation underneath your eyes, it drains the fluid that causes puffiness. Now once you massage your under eye area, then with the remaining ice cube massage your whole face. This will help you get rid of any large pores. Guys, trust me, apply this ice cube once a day and it will do wonders on your skin. You will see amazing results in just a week's time. It will shrink all the large pores and also tighten your skin. Apply it in the areas where you have large pores. If you don't get ice burns, then you can rub it directly on your skin. Just massage your face in circular motion. And once it's done, you can wash your face with cold water. Now next remedy I'll be sharing is for under eye circles. For this we need 2 vitamin E capsules and coconut oil. Just cut the capsules and remove its gel and then put 2 spoons of coconut oil. And then mix it all nicely. Use virgin coconut oil. You can store this in the fridge and use this for 1 week. And then start massaging lightly in upward direction under your eyes. Do remember not to pull your under eye area down because it will cause more wrinkles. Always push them upwards. Also, do not pull the sides of your eyes down. While massaging, stop where your eyebrows end and then start from your cheekbone area. Continue this for like 20 circles and never massage very close to your eyelash area. Now we'll gently massage your crow's feet area. That's the corner of your eyes. Just gently pull your area with these 2 fingers and massage in circular motion. Massage 20 to 30 times on both the sides. And always remember to use ring finger while massaging your eye area because it uses the right pressure needed. And guys, you can also follow Blush With Me Pamita channel as she shares good massage techniques. As our eye area is very delicate and the skin is very thin, never rub that area. And do this in the night. These were the 2 remedies. If you liked it, then do like and subscribe for more such DIYs. Thanks for watching. See you next week. Bye and take care.